you enter the Start menu, you will see a list of pinned applications. If you right-click on an icon, you can select Move to Top to make the app first on your pinned list. You can also unpin it from the Start menu or pin the icon to the taskbar if it's not already there. At the bottom of the list, you can edit app settings or uninstall the app from your system. If you would like to reorder the icons in your pinned list, you can drag the icons around to reorganize them. On the right side of the window, you can click the All Apps button to open a list of every app on your system. Under the Recommended section, you will see a list of recent files and apps that you have used. If you would like to customize your Start menu, navigate to the Personalization tab of your Windows settings. Scroll down until you find Start. You can use the toggle switches to activate or deactivate whether you see recently added apps, most used apps, and recently opened items. In the Folders menu, you can choose which folders appear on the Start menu next to the Power button for quick access.